All right, today we are finding the area of circles and sectors. So first off is going to be the area of a circle. This you have done before. So the area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So here r equals your radius. On the circle over here, we're going to draw a radius in, and we'll label it 5 inches. So to find your area, you want to take pi times 5 squared. Then you can leave your answer as 25 pi inches squared. Or you can type it in and get 78.5 inches square. So again, I said in a different video, if it asks for something in terms of pi, you want with pi in it. If it wants a decimal, you want this part. All right, so the area of a sector of a circle, this is a section of your circle. So the formula is going to be the central angle divided by 360 times 2 times pi times the radius squared. So here what we're talking about is finding a chunk or like a pizza slice of your circle. So on the example over here, we'll draw in a sector. We'll say this is 70 degrees and we have a radius of 8 inches. So if you wanted to find the area of this chunk right there, you want to take your angle, so 70 divided by 360, multiply by pi, and then multiply by your radius squared, so 8 squared. And you can type this in, and you'll get 39.09 inches squared. And if you wanted to leave it in terms of pi, just leave off the pi when you enter it in a calculator and put pi next to your answer. So some examples. Here we want to figure out the area of this wrestling mat. So we want the radius. It's giving us all the way across the diameter. So we want to take 32 divided by 2 to get a radius of 16. So if we want to enter it into our formula, you want pi times the radius squared, so times 16 squared. And this will give us 804.2 feet squared. So here if we want to find the area of a sector in terms of pi, so again, we're going to leave our answer in pi this time. You have a radius of 15 and our central angle is 72. So we want 72 divided by 360 times pi times 15 squared. So you type this all into a calculator, you'd get 45 and then put the pi next to it. So type everything in except for the pi and you get centimeters squared. The last example for this one. We want to find the area of the sector again, and again leave it in terms of pi. So here's our central angle and our radius. So you can take 100 divided by 360 times pi times 7 squared. And you should get 13.61 pi centimeters squared. Here's an optional assignment if you want practice, and you can also do 10.7 on Math Excel if you want more.